Good morning. Welcome back to a new video from a really rainy, windy, gloomy Netherlands day. It's a Sunday morning and I'm taking you on our morning with us. We just went outside for a little bit, but the girls really don't like to walk in the rain. Their eyes go like squinty. And it's gonna be raining all morning, but in the afternoon I think we can go for a big walk. So yeah, I'm doing laundry today and I'm cleaning up. And the heater is on. And then the max air fan is also on because the humidity is super high. We would like to take that down. So yeah, come along on our morning. Hey, mancha. Good job. What is her? What is her? Bobby! Bobby, come! Bobby! Come here! Hey, come here, Bubba. Come here. Hey, good boy, T. Can you fish, Bubba? Mimi. I'm sure it's hard to add keyboards. Keyboard, I know, keyboard. Okay, shake. Good job, girl. Good job. Good job. Good for shake. Shake, Dora. Good job. Oh. That's so beautiful. Hey. Good job. That's it. Good job. That's it. That was all. That was all. Good job. That was all. Kom hier even schoonmaak. Kom hier. Clean it up. Clean it all up. Good job. Good job, girl. Here, where's your kitty? Kitty, kitty, kitty. think this is so funny. In the Netherlands, it's completely normal to have a boterham with butter and then chocolate sprinkles. They're called hagelslag. I think I've said this before, but this is my favorite brand. I love these. But this is super normal, and these are all the varieties that they have. I also really like this. What is that flavor? Anise flavor? I think so. I love those too. This is my lunch, but this would also be a completely normal breakfast. I love that about our country. Nice. Okay. Oh nee. Oh, maak de grond vies. Hé, Bobo. Lisa? Yeah, Bobby Johnny. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Bobby Johnny. Who's a good boy? Let's go walkies! Yay! Yay, Wolfie! Yeah, you happy boy? Good boy, hey Nini. Oh, shake. Hey Wolfie, gaan we lekker lopen? Let's go. And just like that, the rain is gone. I'm really happy. I got so much done this morning. Cleaned everything. I journaled. I journal every morning, and then I journal about my thoughts, but also of things I'm super grateful for. And I'm grateful for a lot of things in life. Oh yeah. I got an apple for my snacky. We can finally go for a walk. It was just raining. It's now almost 2:30. We're gonna go for a long walk, and then if it stays dry, I think so, around 6 we'll go for another walk. Oh, I'm so happy that we can finally go out. I was just inside, I was like, oh, I want to go outside. But yeah, I'm so used to being outside all the time that when it's really raining, yeah, I want to go outside. I don't want to stay inside all day. Okay, let's go for a walk. I'm so happy that the frost is gone. So I finally cut Bobo's hair the other day. And I cut it with scissors. Normally I use the, what's that called? What's it called? Tondeuse. I looked it up. I know the word clippers. I use hair clippers, but I only have the biggest setting that I have is like almost 1 centimeter of hair staying on there. I don't have any longer settings. That's not possible for the thing that I have. So I had to do it with the shears. Now he's not looking super wretched, but it's not professional at all. But he's looking really cute, and he's so happy. His long hair, I had to brush it all the time. He hates that. He has this beautiful hair. He's a mix between a Shih Tzu. Oh, there's a huge branch here that's normally not here. Did it fall from the tree? Wait. Let me put it to the side. That one, the white one. That one, I moved it. Anyway, he's a mix between a Shih Tzu and a Maltese. So whenever his hair gets wet, it gets curly. So what happens is his hair gets curly and then somehow it tangles. I don't really know. And also where his harness is, it like shaves and then it tangles and it's a whole mess. So it can stay quite well up to like this long, and then it starts knotting. And I don't wash him, like I don't have proper shower to do so, and then I would only do that if I have a hair dryer or something to dry him with. Or if it's summertime, then it's not that bad. But yeah, he's happy, he's looking good. Oh, I'm so happy we can go for walks. Bilou is also losing her winter coat, so I'm brushing her a lot because the underlayer is coming out. And I'm brushing her a lot, and then I know she's so floofy at the moment. She's gonna be like super slim. That's okay. That's her summer hair. She's a mix between a Shih Tzu and a Pomeranian. Sorry, not a Shih Tzu. She's a mix between a Chihuahua and a Pomeranian. So yeah, in the summertime she just looks a little bit more like a Chihuahua. But that's okay. That's all okay. Oh, I'm so happy that there's this big dry spell now. How do you say that? Dry spot in the day, so we can go for like a proper walk. I want to go for like a minimum of an hour. And then also this video is being made on the morning. It needs to be out tonight. I didn't have a video out all week. I was thinking about so many things. And then this morning I thought, oh, I'll just skip videos today. And then I thought, no, I can make a video for you guys. I'll just bring you along on a rainy day. Yeah. Okay, well, we're gonna go for a walk. Right, let's see what else is out there. this was it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. And if you want to support our future Vanlife and our channel, you can do so at the campfire through our channel membership. We're going to continue our walk. I will see you in the next one. In the meantime, don't forget to say yes to Newvanventures.